That's your Atlantis shark. What does it do? Cool. What else we got here? Put that one down and show me what else. Oh, you sniffed in. What else we got? Your crabby.
A crabby. It moves and it's head by you,
Okay.
meaning crabby and goes out a lot.
Good thing I had my force
field. Open its room and
open and close its claws. We have another monster of the deep. Hi! Hi, Aiden! Okay, what else? Move on. Yeah, crab got cage. What else do we got?
A manta.
A manta warrior?
It goes do and they go like
Nice. Okay. What else do we got here? What's that?
Hey! You lost my pony. Oh, nice.
Okay. Come on. Moving on. Come on. What else do we got? You're okay. Kevin. Okay. What else do we got?
That guy. They use one
That harpoon.
And his name is Buffalo Bill.
Okay. Oh, goodness. That was a powerful sock taking off. Okay, next. Move on. You're running out of time. Show me what the scorpion does.
Scorpion? Mouth open.
His mouth opens?
And he apples drops down to a thing.
Cool. What's this guy?
This ran away.
The manta ray? It electrocutes him the camera?
Like that. Make him move.
Cool.
That make him move.
Here.
And as we see him and they go and get him away and they got him and they kill him too.
Okay. What's this little guy? A scooter.
A doodle.
Space scooter?
A doodle go do.
Cool.
Like that and that, like that. And this
What is it? It's got an Atlantis treasure. Cool. Okay. Whoop. I just got a manta warrior thrown at you. Okay, what else do we got? What's this big old thing here? What's this one?
I don't know. This man, as we go right back, we go, hey, that's why I'm mad away.
It's okay.
Man. And he still mad away.
Yeah.
And they go, do.
Nice.
People back.
Okay, what's this thing?
This,
Remember the name? Neptune?
this is a listen. And as we do,
Shoot those?
we're looking, and then
That's cool. Okay, we're being invaded by a baby.
and mother went away. Wait.
Show me everything it can do.
Wait that.
Okay. Show me how this stuff, and how it has all this stuff.
That one, move and wait that.
Hold on.
Like that.
Okay, he's not hurting it. Just show me what the rest. Show me
And
there's another guy in there,
a
right?
doll. cool. Also, and this guy is fish.
A fish?
If they, what was the matter with? If they still will we say harmless.
They're harmless?
Uh-huh.
Isn't there one more?
Okay.
Isn't there one more ship on the back there?
No.
Yes. Right here. Doesn't he come off? Not him, honey. The whole ship.
There is a whole ship.
Yeah, me see.
Meaning, wait down. Wait there. Meaning, don't need no meaning go. Megan, turn on the water. And that's what I'm going to have there. That's it.
Cool.
And down.
You like your Atlantis set?
And down, wait down.
Okay. Alright, we'll have the next installment when you complete a couple more, huh?
Wait down.
Okay, hey, hear what I
Loose.
hear what I said?
That's it.
That's it? We'll do another video for Grandma when you do a couple more sets.
That's it. That's when walk.
Right, okay, there goes another sock. Oh, yeah!